Ever paused to ponder how swimming could be your secret weapon in the journey towards weight loss? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of swimming and its impact on weight loss. So buckle up and prepare to glide through the water like a pro, shedding those extra pounds along the way. The first thing on the agenda is understanding the science behind swimming and weight loss. Swimming is, in essence, a full-body workout that engages almost every muscle group. It combines both cardio and strength training, making it an ideal activity for those seeking to lose weight. The resistance provided by water is 20 times greater than air, meaning that your muscles work harder when swimming, thereby burning more calories. Now, how exactly can you use swimming to facilitate weight loss? It all starts with a plan. Identify your current fitness level and set realistic goals. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Start with shorter, more manageable sessions, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. Next, it's crucial to incorporate different swimming strokes into your routine. Each stroke targets different muscle groups and has varying calorie-burning potentials. For example, the butterfly stroke is known to burn the most calories, while the backstroke engages the back muscles and helps improve posture. Consistency is key. Aim to swim at least 3 to 4 times a week. The more you swim, the more calories you'll burn, and the faster you'll see results. However, do listen to your body and allow for rest days to avoid overexertion and injury. It's also important to add variety to your swimming workouts. Try including interval training sessions where you alternate between high-intensity and low-intensity swimming. This type of training is known to burn more calories and improve cardiovascular health. Don't forget about the importance of a balanced diet. While swimming is an effective workout, it won't show significant results if your diet isn't in check. Aim for a nutritious, balanced diet that fuels your body for your swimming sessions and aids recovery. Now let's summarize the key points. Swimming is a full-body workout that combines cardio and strength training, making it highly effective for weight loss. The resistance provided by water helps your muscles work harder, burning more calories in the process. To use swimming for weight loss, start by setting realistic goals based on your current fitness level. Gradually increase the duration and intensity of your swimming sessions as you get fitter. Incorporate different strokes to target various muscle groups and add variety to your workouts with interval training. Remember, consistency is paramount. Aim to swim 3 to 4 times a week, allowing for rest days to prevent overexertion. And finally, pair your swimming workouts with a balanced, nutritious diet. Swimming might just be the enjoyable, low-impact workout you've been looking for to help you on your weight loss journey. So, why not give it a try? Dive in, start swimming, and watch as the pounds start to melt away. Swim your way to a healthier, fitter you.